international best practice. Let me turn to capital markets developments. Mr. Speaker, in order to enhance price discovery and boost income for coffee farmers, the Capital Markets Authority has licensed 14 coffee brokers, and so far 29 auctions have been conducted under the Capital Markets Coffee Exchange Regulations 2020 at the Nairobi Coffee Exchange. In addition, the authority has approved the direct settlement system, which has been operationalized by one of the local commercial banks. Let me turn to pension reforms. Mr. Speaker, majority of Kenyans remain uncovered with retirement benefits coverage at stands at about 26%. We need to address this challenge. The Cabinet has approved the National Retirement Benefits Policy in November 2023 that requires all entities to enroll all the employees, both contractual and permanent, and pensionable for registered retirement benefits scheme. To effectively implement the policy, we have initiated the review and harmonization of all the laws governing the retirement benefits sector. Mr. Speaker, to ensure sustainability of the public service pension system, we are revamping the public service pension administration through digitization and re-engineering of the pension management system, which is expected to be completed by December 2024. Mr. Speaker, the informal sector has about 17 million workers, and that accounts for about 83% of the total workforce in the country. This segment has remained excluded from the pension coverage, mainly due to its unique and heterogeneous needs. The National Treasury has established the Kenya National Entrepreneur Saving Trust, KNEST, to handle pensions from the informal sector and anchor the savings component of the Hustler Fund while providing a channel for voluntary savings. Let me turn to insurance.